In front of me is OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it, hold those three dots and drag it as well. To use more options of your window, click on the same three dots. If you want to close it completely, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!